Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shah, and today we're going to be talking about securing your digital assets, how you create your crypto wallets, and how you should always keep that information to yourself. Do not store it on your devices. Do not share it with a friend. Write it on a piece of paper and hide it. I wanted to shine some light on another YouTuber who just lost all his time. Wonderland. He thought it was because of the application. He soon thereafter found out that this must have been a simple hack which could have occurred from a mistake that he made himself. This has happened to several of my friends in the crypto space. If you've been in cryptocurrency, hacks have been going on since the last bull run in 2017, but now they have gotten so much smarter with the way they hack you. They'll send you fake NFTs in your OpenSea. They will send you links to your email. Do not click these links that you are unsure about. Do not connect your wallet to websites that are not well known and backed, because your digital assets will be at risk. But I want to show you what went on with this YouTuber. So you'll see in this video, he'll explain how he didn't see money sent out of his Metamask. So someone kindly showed him how to track what was going on because there was no activity here. And his initial thought was Time Wonderland stole his money. However, it was a hack, and you'll see here how he found out. I believe the way he handled it mentally as someone in crypto who's been around, I think he handled it perfectly, because you will lose money and you will make mistakes. But right here is a great lesson to why you should secure your digital assets. Not your keys, not your wallet. Don't share it with anyone. But without further ado, let's see what he says.
Sent it over, like there's no way they can possibly delete it from here. So when I was in the Telegram, I had some kind person really help me. They told me to take my address from Metamask. God, I'm still just like worked up, man. It's like shit like this really gets me worked up. My Metamask address and copy it right here. And then I'm going to go over to Snow Trade, paste my address and search up the history. So 2 days and 20 hours ago, I received a payment of 0.3 AVAX from this address, which we will look into, time staking. So they unstaked my time. And then whenever the trader Joe swapped it, so the 11 AVAX was then sent to this address, which we will also look into. These are not my addresses. I did not send this 0.3 AVAX 2 days ago. I did not send that 0.2 AVAX 2 days ago. There is no activity explaining any of this that happened. It is not on my account. It is not in the activity. 2 days ago, I received the 0.3 from this address.
So as you can see, clearly somebody sent AVAX to his MetaMask and then unstaked his time, traded it on Trader Joe for 11 AVAX. So this guy got upwards of $1,000 hacked from him. Knock on wood, it wasn't more. I've heard of a lot more being taken away from people, but this is very important because this could happen to anyone.
This address, here's the transaction right here. They sent me 0.3 AVAX. None of these transactions in these last 6 days are mine. This is not my account. This is not my address. Someone sent me AVAX, got into my account so they could use that money to unstake it, wiped all of my time out of Wonderland, and sent it back to theirs. I'm going to go back over to my address, and now we're going to see where they sent the 11 AVAX that was stolen from my account. It was sent to this address right here, and it is a brand new address. It was literally created for this transaction. This is something I'm just going to have to accept and learn from. I need to secure my accounts as much as possible. All my other accounts are so freaking secured, but my MetaMask, a wallet that I don't really use, that I just put $1,000 on, the stake time Wonderland, I got hacked. I got beat. I lost. I have to accept this. I have to get a Ledger wallet.
See, what he said there is what it's about. You know, he's clearly been in crypto. He has a great following, so definitely give a follow to Crypto Jordan. But I wanted to highlight this because it is so important to be responsible for your finances. When we talk about decentralization, yes, it's much better, the benefits of DeFi and being able to go into NFTs. But when we talk about decentralization, it means trusting a process without trusting any central authority. But that does bring risks. That's why Binance BNB is a little bit more central. They can prevent hacks. That's why there's projects like Lossless trying to stop any hacks that take place. If you know a crypto project or a blockchain technology that has cross-checking forensics or some way to retain money from an address that was stolen, that will be revolutionary. And if it was regulated, it would be even better. But having malicious activity like this, there's nothing he can do. But that's what comes with this space. It's so early that I remember it was a lot sketchier sending money in 2017. I can't imagine using Time Wonderland back in 2017. Now we use DAOs like no problem. That being said, the reason he got hacked is definitely because he clicked a different link or he showed his keys somehow when he shouldn't have. But I just wanted to shed some light on that because it could happen to anyone. This guy is known in the crypto space. He has 21,000 followers. He knows what he's doing. This was a simple mistake. It could have happened to anyone. So I just want to give props to Crypto Jordan for being transparent with his community, showing people that this can happen to anybody. And that's why I wanted to highlight it today, to push his message out and to push this message out to all of you, because I know you're in the crypto space heavy, and I know you guys love sharing your information, and you just have to be more secure. Metamask is not a cold wallet. It is not as secure as a ledger. However, its compatibility, interoperability, and ease of use between network to network is why it's used so much. And people are saying there will be a MetaMask airdrop soon. So make sure to use the InSwap utility to be eligible for that. That's what a lot of people think will happen. But yeah, guys, as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. And that's probably not a good pun because of what happened in this video, but I'll see you guys next time.